Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and yeah, uh, as you can see, I'm poor again. That's we ignore that. Something happened that we don't talk about. But anyways, so yeah, I've been busy with a lot of stuff, IRL, and I've been sick for a while. I haven't recorded much, but and you know, maraming mga bagay na ginagawa ko dito sa server na, oh my goodness. So yun, maraming bagay na kailangan ko gawin dito sa server. Unahin, dito sa server, first of all, since mahirap na nga tayo, I've been grinding some stuff. And yeah, I'm planning to do a lot of oh my god, what happened here? Oh yeah, this exploded, so sumabog ka. Well, anyways, yun, so I've been planning to do a lot of farms lately, and here, what is that? What? Okay, anyways, so I've been planning to do a lot of farms, redstone farms and somewhat and stuff, and redstone contraptions na dito sa base for future purposes. Malalaman nyo yan in the next video, I think. Siguro. Sana. Anyways, yun, so as you can see, nagsimula na ako sa paggawa ng mga contraption. So ito is pang pang building materials lang, kasi pangit naman kung puro deep sleep yung natin, yung mukha ng mga farms natin. So ito pang gather lang ng mga simple contraptions lang naman to. So and I've been grinding here for a minute now, or 30 minutes. Yan. Then gagawin dyan. So yung cobblestone ilalagay dito sa taas. Yan. Tapos mapupunta yan sa hopper, mapupunta sa furnace, tapos lulutuin ng furnace. Ayan. So yung fuel natin is lava. Then pagkatapos ng cobblestone, mapupunta yan dito. Then diretso yan dito, which paglalagay andito yung paglalagay ng stone na mapupunta dito sa hopper, then mapupunta dito sa furnace para ayun na nga, wala na fuel. So yun talaga problema natin ngayon is fuel. So siguro maglalagay ako dito ng mga lava drape stones and somewhat. So pero yun. So, magtitipon-tipon lahat ng stone dito, tapos lulutuin niya, tapos mapupunta dito sa hopper, then ayun na, building blocks natin. So yun, kailangan ko talaga ng a lot of lava. Nag-farm na rin ako ng redstone. So plano ko siguro so di ko lang sure kung kung unahin ko ba yung witch farm, kaso malayo kasi witch farm para siguro sa redstone. Pero may minahan naman kami, may minahan naman ako for redstone, for other materials too, pero malayo kasi dito swamp biome. So yun, yeah, well, yun. So pero yun, this is just an update video. Siguro count ko na rin to as episode para naman may content ako. Pero anyways, yun nga. So yun lang para sa araw na to. Don't worry, tuloy pa rin talaga yung trims arc. It's just that marami talagang nangyayari events, nagiging busy na rin and simula na rin yung pasukan. So, just, you know, been recording some stuff para may mga ma-upload na ako for when I'm busy. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like this video, and if you're on TikTok, please follow me, like the video, heart the video, and share this to all your friends. Yeah. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and see you guys later. Bye.